Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we have pre-construction meeting today at 10, and it's like 8 something, so we have to leave now because it's so far away. But I'm excited. I lost a nail. I took it off. I hit it. I twisted. This is the nail that's been giving me problems. I had it repaired 3 times this year, and it's so tender that I don't even think I want to fix it for a while. Like, I'm gonna have to rip. But it's kind of hard because all of the nails are mature, and I'll explain to you guys what that means in a bit. But they're all mature, so it's gonna ruin the set. And I've had the set for a good year and a half, so, which is like my actual nails. So I don't know. We just finished our pre-construction meeting. It went well. I like our project manager. He seems cool and down to earth. One of his jokes was that he YouTube stuff. With all fun and jokes aside, he seems down to earth, like the type of person that, you know, that could build a really good house. I mean, you never know, but he's not the one building it. He's gonna hire people to build it, but I'm pretty sure he's not just gonna let, you know, that they're building on his name, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, what they do affects him. So but anyways, it was good. We're building a simple house, like the name says, Simply Ryan. Simply Ryan is what we're building. And it's simple. It's cookie cutter. It's the plainest, simplest house you would ever build in your life. There's not a ton of upgrade. What we did add, I changed a few things. Well, I only changed one thing, and that was it. It's simple. The rest we're gonna do ourselves. So that wasn't really much to go. What the meeting only lasted an hour and 30 minutes. He answered a whole bunch of questions that I had. I had like a whole list of questions, and he answered, and I had one thing I wanted for him to do, but he said he couldn't do it because it's a code situation or something, whatever. But either way, it's fine. Anyways, I'ma go. Good morning, Donald Ducks. We don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Ooh, baby, this is my money. Got some money. It is? From where? The change? I gave you money? He's my peanut butter eater. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So, we are trying to get out of this house. We're supposed to break ground today, but our PM doesn't know if we're breaking ground because evidently he doesn't know his own schedule. So he's like, they have 4 houses to build, and they're not even sure. 4 holes, actually. 4 holes to dig this week, so he doesn't know if we're one of those holes that's gonna go. We're one of them, but he doesn't know what day or what date that our hole will be dug. And that's very important to us because we jumped through hoops, and we jumped off of bridges and all of that just to get our approval to build. So I would appreciate if they had a date. Like, you have 4 holes to dig. Okay, there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, I'm gonna dig A hole on Monday, B hole on Tuesday, C hole on Wednesday, and D hole on Thursday. That's A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Yeah, so if we are a hole, we should that sounds so wrong, but if we are a hole, we should be dug on Monday, and that's when you could tell us.
Maybe it's if we are letter A hole.
If we are letter A hole, then we're being dug on Monday, and you can tell us that A hole will be dug on Monday. Let me stop. Okay, I'll see you guys when we get to wherever we're going. Bye, guys. Hi, what are you doing? Huh? Why do you insist on doing things wrong, Madison? Jaxson, can you please get your half-naked self out of the video? Hi. Is that a new word? Hi.
He says hi.
What are you doing? That is a table, young lady.
She says hi. That's the first word. That's the first word. Yeah? She says hi. Mommy, did you say hi the first time? She talk? She talk, Mommy?
Why are you attacking us? Why are you attacking us? Why are you attacking us? Ah! Ah! Don't attack me! Ah!
Whoa!
I'm being attacked by a curly baby. I'm being attacked by a curly head baby.
Hi, Bean.
You know it's Sunday when we're almost like all through the door. Like, yeah. No, not really. We don't even know what you're talking about. Anyways, guys, what's up? Today's Sunday. I think it's the last Sunday in the month. It is the last Sunday in the month. Yay! Yay! I don't know why we're saying yay. But today's Sunday, so we have to go grocery shopping. I don't look forward to going grocery shopping. I used to when I was younger. But now that I'm getting much older, I don't look forward to it because that means we're spending money. And since saving for the house and all of that has made me a bit more, you know, conscious of what we do with our money. And because, you know, we have to eat and we have to feed the children, I have to go grocery shopping. I wish I didn't have to, but anyways, we went to a concert yesterday, and it's the reason why I have a band on my hand. It was a Christian concert.
She thinks it's orange.
It was, well, I told my kids it was orange. It messed with them for half the day. But anyways, it was really good. It was really, it was a really good day. Because, I don't know if you guys remember, a few months ago I told you that my husband and I were working on our relationship. We kind of hit a roadblock for a little bit, where we went back to our old ways. And, you know, communication is key when you're married. It's key. It's like you can't live without communicating. You have to communicate. I can't stress that enough. Communicate. Let each other know what you're feeling and how you feel and what's affecting your life and all of that. It's very, 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 very important. But
Very.
and that's something that I struggle with. I struggle with communicating. I'm a writer. I like to write, and I can write my feelings, but my husband don't have time for that. He's on the road practically all day long, so he don't have time to be reading emails or long text messages with all my emotions. So I was like, you know what, Janice, we're gonna break that barrier down, where you're gonna sit and you're gonna communicate with your husband. You're gonna tell him what's going on with you, what's wrong, what it is that he needs to work on. Because yeah, there might be men, but they're different. They're built different from how females are built, you know. So that's what I did. I told him, we sat down, we talked and everything, and to my surprise, he fixed the problem. Like, it was that simple, you know what I mean? I woke up this morning and I was like, felt like I was in heaven, you know? Just a little bit. Your girl over here, Maddie, let me show you guys. Look. This is Maddie. Maddie, what are you doing? Say hi. Hi. Her new thing now is to find things and
Make a mess of it.
Make a mess of it. Yep. So that's what Madison's doing this morning. Say hi, guys. Say good morning, guys. Say good morning, sunshines. She's not. But yeah, Maddie made a mess, so I have to clean that. But yeah, I think we're gonna go to Walmart. I want to go to Aldi's because I think Aldi's is much cheaper than Walmart. But Walmart doesn't have everything that I need.
Can you get Costco?
And then I want to go look. I want to go to Lowe's. Oh my gosh, look at my face.
How about Costco?
And I'm not wearing any makeup because
who cares?
I'm not in the mood to put makeup on. But I want to go to either Lowe's or Home Depot. I need to get some estimates for appliances because we went with the basic package in our build. We just went with the basic. Stop. We just went with the basic. We got all black appliances and stuff. So the refrigerator we're gonna put in the garage, and then the other stuff we might sell. And so I need to get some quotes to make sure that I have enough money to pay for them when we move. So I just need to see what it's gonna cost to replace all the appliances. The washer and dryer we're gonna keep, and so everything else in the kitchen we're gonna replace. So I need to figure out what that's gonna cost. And it's raining outside, and I didn't really want to go out, but my husband's like, let's go. So we're gonna go, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm making dinner.
Say hi, Maddie.
Got this pasta going. Guys, so my kids always say they don't like salad with fruit. And I did this the other day and they loved it. So
I liked it.
I asked them, would you eat salad with fruit on top of it? They were like, no. I made it and they ate every single ounce of it. So yeah, this is the best way to get your kids to eat fruits and vegetables in one, because it's sweet and it's a bit tangy. So I'm gonna show you guys the dressing that I use. Don't touch that. So this is the dressing that I use on it. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Is this it? Yes. And this guy is vegan, so Maddie, could you excuse me? Excuse me? Hi.
She says hi.
You making dinner? So I'm gonna shake this up, shake this little guy up, and then you just kind of like drizzle it over it, just enough to coat, and then you're gonna toss it. So, and then we usually eat it with pasta. So this is tonight's meal, and yeah, nice and easy salad, and then get your kids to eat their veggie. So it's really good. It's really good, so you could try it. So I have grapes, strawberry, and mandarin or tangerine, whichever one. So you can put whatever fruit. You could put apple, you could put peaches, you can put mango, whatever you want to put in here, and it's really, really good. So I'm gonna share these kids their dinner. Yeah. What do you need?
Dad's not going to eat.
He's not? Okay. This is the cheese that I use. It's Go Veggie. It's supposed to be Parmesan. And put it over this, and your dinner is ready. This is Miss Madison's plate. Look at her face. Look at her. Ready for your dinner? You guys didn't clear off the table, but it's okay, I guess. Maddie's gonna make a mess of those papers, so if you value those papers and you want them, please move them.
Okay, please. Where do I put them?
What do you mean, where do you put them? Where were they?
They were on the table.
What are those? Oh, the loan document? Put them over there in that thing.
Okay.
Maddie? Oh, Lord. Our whole life. Daddy. Our whole life is a mess. And where did those Chuck E. Cheese papers came from?
I don't know.
Why all of a sudden they all out? Somebody has to know, because it wasn't like that.
Jackson was playing with the pictures one day, but I don't know.
Maddie, is it good, baby?
No. I didn't put that there. I don't know.
Get them, because Maddie will make a mess of them. And Jackson, that's your reading book. You're reading stuff out of your bag. Maddie. I know they stole your spotlight, Mama. Is it good? Look at her with the little fork. Like, really? She has a fork and she's using her hands. I don't understand.
That's the end.
All right.
So mine.
How is it, guys?
Good. I tried the salad.
You tried the salad?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, naked boy.